Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to clean page smears on a HP OfficeJet 8015e. And this is nice and simple, can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the touchscreen here. You will also need paper to be loaded into the printer, but I'm assuming you've got that in anyway. Now, if you're not already on the home screen of the printer like this, you just press the home button, which is invisible, but it's there. Press that to be returned here. Now what cleaning page smears does is take a sheet of paper and run it between the rollers back and forth. And if there are any kind of dots of ink or anything on the rollers, the idea is this process will pick up those dots on the paper and lessen their effect on your prints. And you'd use this in instances where you're seeing like smears down your page, or even like regular dots running down the page where a little bit of ink could have got on there, things like that. So from this page, first we press into Setup. Then we go into Tools, which is the third option. And Clean Page Smears is the third option down, so we go into that. Press OK. Now this will take your printer just a minute. And after a while, a page will come out the printer, and you'll probably find you'll have smears or little dots or something down there from where it's caught the ink on the rollers. If, however, like me, your page is looking perfectly clean, but you are getting lines or marks on your page, the issue is likely to lie elsewhere. In this instance, I would recommend running printhead cleaning cycles and print quality test pages, because it's more likely to be dried or congealed ink on the printer's printhead rather than the rollers. And you can repeat these over and over until the quality of your print is improved sufficiently. There's also alignment pages. Again, we have a video on our channel, but it's from the same menu that we just navigated from, if you wanted to just run through it from there. But that's it for now. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you found it useful, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.